Welcome to Mora FC. Just look how beautiful this wood pocket look like. So simple, easy done. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated that I posted a new video. So let's get started. Yeah, I marked 5-inch. Make sure the length of the wet pocket is 18 or maybe 20. So I measure 5 inch here. I put a fusing on the wrong side of it, measuring 5 inch, and I draw a straight line. The opening of the pocket is up to how you want it to be. You want it to be big, you can measure 1.5. You can measure 1 inch, you can measure 1/2 inch. It depends how you want the opening of the pocket to be. Remember, I'm working on the wrong side of it. So I'm going to put it on it, the right side of it to the right side of it, together like this. Just have to fold and check out the middle because of the design that I made out there. I want to place it in the right middle. So you can decide to pin it, or you just take it to the machine. So you just have to sew around it. Just go around it like that. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated that I posted a new video. So you come and enjoy and see what I've put it out there. You just have to go around it just like that. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. It is what it is. So after going around it, let me get my scissors. You guys have to cut the middle, so that we cut through like that. When you're about to reach the edge, you just have to curve it to the angle, make a notch like that, like forming a V and forming a right angle. Make sure you don't cut through the thread. But you have to go exactly to the edge. That will give you a perfectly work done. So we just have to fold, turn everything over, flip it everything over to the wrong side of the fabric. Checking your edges, making sure the edges are perfectly curved. Otherwise, if they get the edges wrong, it's gonna be a bumpy at that part. So we're gonna go to the iron. We're gonna put some heat on it. You have to check the edges. Is very important. The angle is very important, because otherwise, if you get that part wrong, the pocket that side is gonna be bumpy. So you give it a nice press of an iron it very nicely and neatly. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click on the notification bell so anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated. So you can see how the edge, the angle looks so beautiful. Wow, it is what it is. So we try to work on the right side. So you fold it like that to cover it up. Let it fall at the tip of it. Don't cover it over on it. No, let it fall at the tip of it. Keep it a nice press of an iron. It's more IFC, it is what it is. So after here, I gotta go to the sewing machine. You can, if you have a pin, you can click it down, pin it down to hold it firm for you. So I'm going to the sewing machine side. So if you remember that little angle that we form, just let it turn. Yeah, you just have to hold it firm and top stitch it to the fabric. And you do that to the other part. You can see that small angle that we form over there, like the V or the triangle that we form. Just have to top stitch it to the fabric, and that will hold. So we gotta have to check and see. Yeah, everything is on place. So I'm going to top stitch at that part to hold it down. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It is what it is, more IFC. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Click on the notification bell, subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell a friend about more IFC. You can see how this beautiful turn out to be. So now you're gonna fold the pocket there, just like this, and you're gonna sew around it. Kaboom! You just have to go around it. It's more IFC. And you don't forget to subscribe, like and share. It is what it is. So just go around it till you're done. We are almost done. Almost done. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time being here. If you are looking for a tailor to sew something for you, I'm gonna leave my email in the description box below. Contact me. Let me talk business. And if you want to learn how to sew, still contact me. Then we know how to schedule things out, and I'll be teaching you how to sew. Easy as is go. We done. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Keep on watching. Keep on supporting. Yep, you can see how beautiful it has turned out to be. We done. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Shalom. Peace. I'm out.